Well, here we are. Got to show you something. Look at that. Got that installed finally. It's a Curt hitch. There's the writing right there. There's the writing. Curt. There we go. Curt hitch. It was kind of a booger to get on. The bolts on the sides were good, lined up, everything lined up. These boogers, it's a carriage bolt goes, short carriage bolt, 1 inch. Carriage bolt goes there. And it was a booger getting those to fit. Let's see if you can see. Bolts, there they are. Those gold bolts. 4 on each side. Lined up perfectly. These lined up, but there was a big gap. So we finally got a C-clamp and clamped this up so we could get the nuts started on these bolts. And that's what did it, to get it. So if you're going to do this hitch, on an MV 2500, you're going to need a big C-clamp to get this clamped up, to catch these 1 inch carriage bolts right here. Next step is the lighting kit. Had to go to the dealership for a light kit for the lights for the trailer hookup. And I'm going to install that in a few days. Going to study the instructions some more. Make sure I know how to do it, because it's going right into the vehicle wiring. Alright, that's it.